How to reload toner using a toner reload kit for the HP Neverstop Laser 1000 MFP 1200 and HP Laser NS 1020 MFP 1005 printer series. When the printer is turned on and the toner level indicator displays a +1 or 2 and the reload light is on, you know it is time to reload your toner with your toner reload kit. What do all these numbers on the display mean? If the toner level indicator displays a +1, then add 1 toner reload kit. If it displays a +2, then add 1 or 2 kits. If you see a +2 and a warning symbol, that means the printer is out of toner and you need to add at least 1 toner reload kit to continue printing. To open the toner reload kit package, tear at the notch and remove the kit. Now it's time to shake. With the cap facing down, hold the kit, then shake it for 10 seconds to loosen the toner. After you're done shaking, remove the clip and cap. If your printer has a scanner, lift the scanner lid first, then rotate the reload port cover. Insert the kit into the reload port, then rotate it clockwise a full 180 degrees until it stops. Here's the fun part. With one hand holding the base of the kit, push down on the plunger until it clicks. The toner level indicator will update its status as your printer fills with toner. You can't leave the kit attached, so rotate it counterclockwise 180 degrees to release it. Then remove it from the port. Close the reload port cover by rotating it back into place. Lower the scanner lid, if you have one of course, and now you can continue printing.